how to change name of apps on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change name of apps on Android phone. First thing, go to Play Store and now type here icon changer and then select this one and download it and then click open. And now just select any app you want, like this one here, and here we'll find it. Just click on it and here you can change it, and you can change the icon if you want, and then just click here and then click add, and here we'll find it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.